Hi, this is Yein from Craftiviti. We asked the question, why do you make your own DIY personal care products? And one of the responses that came in, thank you so much for writing to us, is, Uding said a very quick response. She just wrote it's my passion, with a love, a big heart. So keep going with your passion, Uding, and make lots and lots of wonderful products. Now Michelle wrote in and told us that I started to make my own shampoo due to having super sensitive scalp problems. Was frustrated with the products used outside. None was suitable but worsened my scalp even more. Slowly, I started making other daily products for myself, my family and friends. They are concerned about their health too. I hope your health is better, Michelle. And yes, that is one of the reasons why a lot of people start making their own soaps, their own lip balms, pomades, hair wax, shampoo, lotions, things like that. You start looking at labels and you start researching on the best ingredients possible to make sure that you don't pile on the extra chemicals that you don't need in your life. And we are surrounded by chemicals all the time. And so one of the few things that we can do is to make sure that what we use, what we make is really, really natural and the products that you use are good. So thank you so much for watching, and we will come back more with replies. If you have a story to tell on why you hand make your own personal care products, your own soaps, your own candles, please let us know. Write in the comment below, email us, call us, whatever it is, reach out to us and tell us your story. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.